Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to see who sent you anonymous NGL messages for free. Now there are actually two ways to know that you have received the message, and one is by actually getting notification to your phone if you turned on notification. Now the other way is by looking for the red dot that is right beside inbox. That's an indication that you received message and you need to tap on it. Now currently I have two messages in my inbox, and how I would go about seeing or knowing who sent the anonymous message is by actually going to Instagram and going to my story. So once I'm on Instagram, I could actually click on the activity and see the amount of persons that actually viewed my story. Now currently I have 8 persons here, and that would kind of give me an idea of the persons who actually sent the two messages. So that's pretty much how you'd go about seeing who sent you your anonymous NGL messages for free. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.